Okay. Hello, my name's Vicky Wachet and I'm here at the Victoria and Albert Museum because we've just been looking at an installation called Tomorrow, which ironically is a story of a man who's 74, a pretend man, who's trying to sell his house. And when I was chatting to one of the exhibit curators, they were saying that the house had an offer on it, but they were allowing us, as role play within this art installation, to actually come and see the house in case we wanted to put an offer in on it. So I pointed out to the curator that that was actually gazumping, and he argued back that no, it was trying to get the best possible price for the property. And I thought it quite strange that here we are at the V&A in an art installation and they're actually talking or provoking or encouraging gazumping. What a mad world we live in. So I'm going to be at the Progressive Property Meet on Monday the 14th of October, and if you come along then we'll be chatting about, in my opinion, the 3 critical things that you need to do in order to be successful in property. And I'm quite sure there'll be a few political comments and side cracks in there and debate we can have about what we think of the market at the moment. So I really look forward to seeing you on the 14th of October, that's Monday, at Waterloo, one of the Progressive Property Meets, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.